Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming these simple, often overlooked lighters and a few discarded metal pieces into a powerful, versatile tool. It doesn't matter if they're empty or broken, as we'll mostly be using their internal components and casing. I will use a lighter that has run out of fuel to save money. My next step was to carefully disassemble the lighter. I'm removing the metal guard and then extracting the flint spring, the flint itself, and the small metal wheel. These tiny parts are crucial for our build, so I'm setting them aside safely. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now that the lighter is empty, I'm left with this clear plastic body. I'm using my drill to carefully create a hole at the top of the lighter body. This precision is important because it needs to be just the right size to snugly fit our next component, ensuring stability for the finished tool. From this collection of nuts and bolts, I'm selecting an eye bolt and a couple of washers. These will act as our main attachment point and provide a sturdy connection for the elements we're putting inside the lighter. Now, I'm inserting the eye bolt into the freshly drilled hole. This anchors our primary component firmly within the plastic casing. I have an old valve here. I'll thread it through the hook bolt. I will secure the valve with a washer and tighten it with a nut. This step is about reinforcing the assembly and ensuring there's absolutely no wiggle, creating a solid base of the heating element. To ensure maximum stability, I'm using pliers for a final tightening of all the nuts. A secure fit here is crucial for the tool performance and safety during operation. Next, I'm taking a red electrical wire. I'm cutting a section and stripping off a small piece of the insulation at the end. This exposed copper will be our electrical contact point. I'm carefully wrapping the stripped red wire around the metal eye bolt that's now secured in the lighter body. This connection is essential for the electricity to flow through and generate heat. I'm using pliers to crimp the electrical connection firmly. This ensures a tight, reliable contact, which is absolutely vital for proper current flow and efficient heating, without any loose sparks. I'm securing the wires to the lighter body with black electrical tape. This prevents any short circuits or electric shocks while the device is in operation. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm grabbing a used AA battery from my collection. We're going to extract the carbon rod from inside it, which will become the core of our heating element. My goal here is to extract the carbon rod that runs through the center of the battery. I'm using a knife to carefully peel away the outer layers and the internal paste, exposing the solid carbon rod. This rod is key because it can conduct electricity and heat up quickly. I'm mounting a drill bit into my cordless drill. This will help me quickly and effectively shape the carbon rod for its new purpose. I'm using a piece of sandpaper against the spinning drill bit to sharpen the carbon rod. This creates a fine pointed tip, which is essential for concentrating heat and achieving precise results when we use it as a soldering or burning tool. After sharpening, I'm cleaning the carbon rod thoroughly with a piece of tissue. This removes any carbon dust or impurities, ensuring the tip is clean and ready for optimal performance. Now, I'm taking a red alligator clip and clipping it onto the other end of the red wire. I'm carefully stripping a portion of the wire and then twisting the strand securely around the clip's connection point. This forms one of our power leads. With a sharpened carbon rod, I'm attaching it to the valve and securing it tightly to ensure good conductivity. I'm also preparing a black alligator clip with another wire. Just like with the red ones, I strip the wire and crimp it tightly to the clip. This cable will be used as an audio conductor for the device. Having both red and black leads will give us flexibility when connecting to different power sources. I'm holding up a motorcycle battery. This will be the robust power source for our newly made heating tool. I'm connecting the two alligator clips to the positive and negative terminals of the motorcycle battery. First, I'll experiment with these two wires. I'm using alligator clips and clamping them onto the exposed copper wire. I'm touching the soldering iron to the copper wire, and it melts, joining the two wires together. This creates a very versatile setup for many different high-temperature applications. I have a sieve with a broken handle here. It's my next experiment. I have a piece of tin wire to use as solder. I'm demonstrating the ability to heat up metal by applying the carbon rod to this small metal sieve. Observe closely as the metal rapidly changes color and starts to glow with intense heat. This really highlights its potential for small-scale metalwork or other tasks requiring localized heat. This incredible little device, ingeniously crafted from simple, repurposed items like a discarded lighter, a battery, and some basic electrical components, can generate intense, concentrated heat. It's like a mini soldering iron, perfect for countless DIY tasks. If you were as amazed as I am by this resourceful project, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other everyday items you'd like to see me transform next. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future fantastic DIY adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.